Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2012 Porsche Panamera GTS. An amazing car taken in part exchange on another Porsche that we retailed, and this one is in absolutely lovely order throughout. Now, I've got the original bill of sale and this car has over £16,000 worth of factory options. We'll take a look at some of those as we go around it, but if you read the advert that we have on our website, it's listed there. But the car itself, it's a 2012 GTS, beautiful V8 that they fitted in these, sat on the Porsche 911 Turbo 2 alloys and got the larger red brake calipers. Now the vehicle's finished in Basalt black metallic and the paintwork's in very nice order all the way through. Been through our detailers, they've given it a full external machine polish. All the wheels are in great order and they're riding on really nice Michelin tyres. Now this car has got the rear entertainment system for one. It's got the electric glass sunroof, parking sensors front and rear with reversing camera. Now when I open the boot here, you'll be able to see all the bells and whistles as of the paperwork, so everything is there, as you can see, even the new vehicle invoice listing just the options. Absolutely super mix of Paragon, Porsche Specialist, Porsche Centre, all, as I say, the receipts are there, everything you'd want to see when you're buying a 10-year-old Porsche Panamera, because it is a 2012. But the car just does not look 10 years old. I'm gobsmacked on how smart this car looks. Now, I've owned one of these personally. They have to be one of the best sounding, best driving cars. We love Porsches here at Alpha Motors, have done all our lives. They are just the go-to brand for any luxury sports car for me. Reliability, residual values, build quality. There isn't a car that actually gets anywhere near them on the market today, in my opinion. Now the car itself internally has the factory option of the BOSE music. We've got 4 electric windows. We've got the electric memory seats. They're all there. Again, a lovely option. Full set of tailored mats, Panamera GTS, but the interior is in lovely order. The seats are all in great condition. Minimal wear, embossed as well, GTS there. But jumping into the car, you can tell it's been truly cherished. I don't smoke, and I can tell that this last keeper was not a smoker of this car either. No smell of cigarettes or, shall we say, stale smells. A lovely vehicle. Extended leather, as you can see, stitched on top. A sense of luxury in this vehicle. We've got the Alcantara style roof lining also. Looking down the centre console, we've got the Sport Plus, adjustable suspension, height adjustment, and then Sports exhaust system, heated seats, and then an array, climate control, air conditioning. Paddles on there as well, so little buttons here for your gear change if you wish. Multifunction steering wheel again, and then we've got automatic. Let's have a seat. No, I don't look automatic. So we've got headlamp wash. I'm looking at as I'm trying to see. Voice control, cruise control. 60,141 miles. No warning lights on the dash. Just wants a bit of fuel. But a beautiful car. Auto dim mirror. Just take a look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. A super car throughout. Glove box, locking wheel, not everything in there. Passenger seat is in superb condition throughout as well. But the car is just in very nice order. Phone in there, Porsche communication. Look at that. All those little things that made these cars so expensive. As I say, this car has, the bill of sale with it, and it was over 105 or 104,000 pounds back in the day. Now, never seen this in a Porsche before, or a Porsche, but we've got the rear entertainment system. Not had a Panamera with the Porsche rear entertainment system in. And then we've got the rear climate and rear heated seats. All comes on. Menu. And then you can put your USB and your auxiliary in the bottom there. TV. So you can see that there. We'll give you some more photographs. But absolutely superb. Lovely, lovely order. Come and have a look, it's in the showroom. But everything about it is in superb condition. A very, very nice car. So as you've seen in the boot there, all the paperwork to back the car's credentials up. Great looking wheels, lovely red brake calipers, sunroof, rear entertainment. I don't think it gets any better, does it really? I don't think it gets any better. So if you could see yourself in this, give me a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham. We've got Lee and Dominic on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. If you've got a part exchange, another Porsche you want to part exchange with us, we'll take that, no issue. Have a look on our Facebook and socials. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK coming to collect their vehicles, reserve them with us for a pre-arranged collection time, and then driving away in the same day. So we have it ready for you, so you only need to visit our shop once. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.